Unboxing Samsung Galaxy M32. Samsung Galaxy M32. Live your virtual life to the fullest with this supremely high-end smartphone. When we speak of phones, the most trusted brand is Samsung. Longest hour battery, 6000 mAh battery with 15 watts in a box charger. Galaxy M32 loaded to the maximum with features that will take you binging to the next level. With 64 megapixel quad cam, make your feed create all the buzz with pro level MediaTek G80 multitasking of surfing. Say bye to bad selfie because it has 20 megapixel front camera will give you just the equivalent photography experience. The security update of Samsung just keep all your personal data and information most securely. All your space issue get resolved with the Samsung M32 smartphone. The phone comes with an inbuilt storage of 128 GB, which is further expandable to 1 terabyte. Simple way to navigate user interface with quick switch and content suggestion. Keep everything on your phone safe and private. Attract all the attention with its classy design and finish.